Listen up, you lot. Is your life a pressure cooker of deadlines, screaming kids, and traffic jams from hell? You're probably drowning in cortisol, the stress hormone that's wreaking havoc on your body and mind. But don't you dare reach for those processed, sugary snacks. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, I'm going to show you how to combat stress with food. Glorious food. We're talking about natural ingredients that are going to kick cortisol's arse and leave you feeling calmer, sharper, and ready to conquer the day. First up, we've got dark chocolate, the ultimate stress-fighting indulgence. Now, I'm not talking about that sugary milk chocolate rubbish. I'm talking about the good stuff. At least 70% cocoa, rich, dark, and absolutely divine. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, those little ninjas that fight off free radicals, the nasty buggers that damage your cells and age you faster. And believe me, stress makes those free radicals multiply like rabbits. But here's the real kicker. Dark chocolate boosts your serotonin levels. Serotonin, for those of you who haven't been paying attention, is the happy hormone, the one that makes you feel good. And when you're feeling good, stress doesn't stand a chance. So the next time you're about to lose your cool, grab a square or two of dark chocolate. Let it melt in your mouth, savor the flavor, and feel the stress melt away. But remember, moderation is key. A couple of squares a day is all you need to reap the benefits. Don't go overboard and scoff the whole bar, you hear? Next up, we've got the avocado, a creamy, dreamy fruit that's more than just a trendy toast topper. This green goddess is packed with potassium, a mineral that's absolutely crucial for keeping your blood pressure in check. And let's be honest, when your blood pressure is through the roof, you're about as pleasant to be around as a burnt saucepan. Avocados are also loaded with monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that keep you feeling full and satisfied. And when you're not battling hunger pangs, you're less likely to snap at the next person who breathes in your direction. So, how do you get your avocado fix? Well, you can spread it on toast, of course. But don't be afraid to get creative. Add it to smoothies, salads, or even make a batch of guacamole. Just go easy on the chips, yeah? Now let's talk about nuts, those bite-sized powerhouses that are bursting with stress-busting nutrients. We're talking almonds, walnuts, pistachios, the whole lot. They're packed with B vitamins, which are essential for a healthy nervous system. And when your nervous system is firing on all cylinders, you're better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Nuts are also a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Remember those nasty free radicals we talked about earlier? Vitamin E helps keep them in check. So, keep a bag of mixed nuts on hand for a quick and easy snack. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your trail mix, or just grab a handful when you're feeling peckish. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are your secret weapon against stress. Why? Because they're swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, those incredible fats that have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout your body. Now you might be thinking, what does inflammation have to do with stress? Well, my friend, chronic stress leads to inflammation, which can wreak havoc on your body and mind. Omega-3s help combat that inflammation, keeping your brain sharp and your mood stable. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Grill it, bake it, pan fry it, just don't overcook it for God's sake. Don't turn your nose up at oatmeal. This humble breakfast staple is a secret weapon against stress. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate, which means it's digested slowly, providing you with sustained energy throughout the morning. No more mid-morning energy crashes that leave you reaching for sugary snacks. But here's the best part. Oatmeal helps your body produce serotonin, that feel-good hormone we talked about earlier. So, start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. It's a delicious and comforting way to set yourself up for a calmer, more focused day. Listen up. Gut health is crucial for overall well-being, and that includes your mental health. Probiotics, the good bacteria found in yogurt, play a vital role in regulating your gut microbiome. And a healthy gut microbiome has been linked to reduced stress, anxiety, and even depression. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary, fruit-flavored yogurts that are loaded with added sugar. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and add your own fresh fruit, honey, or granola for flavor. Put down the coffee, you caffeine addict. If you're looking for a calming beverage, green tea is your new best friend. Green tea contains an amino acid called theanine, which has been shown to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Theanine works its magic by increasing alpha wave activity in the brain, which is associated with a state of calm alertness. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, brew yourself a cup of green tea. Inhale the aroma, savor the flavor, and feel the stress melt away. There you have it, 7 incredible foods that will help you kick stress to the curb and reclaim your inner peace. Remember, eating your way to a calmer, happier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Incorporate these foods into your diet regularly, and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. Now stop stressing and start cooking. Your body and mind will thank you for it.